What's up, Internet? Johnathan back again here with PLM, introducing another product for you. To whoever commented asking for more products for American vehicles, we got you. This is the private label manufacturing single exit axle back system for the Ford Bronco. This will be compatible with your 2-door or your 4-door full-size Bronco. Unfortunately, it is not compatible with the Sport nor the Raptor. We designed this exhaust system with two things in mind. We wanted to make sure that we give you better ground clearance, and we wanted to save you some weight. This, compared to stock, is a night and day difference. The stock unit comes in at around 30 pounds. Ours weighs 16 pounds with the turn down, 18 pounds with the 4-inch black tip. The hangers are double reinforced for more rigidity, and it's situated above the muffler to again provide better ground clearance. Our axle back system comes as a modular design. It comes standard with the turn down, but you can add the rear exit so you can go from dirt king or queen to mall crawler in seconds. The back tip is also interchangeable. It's a simple bolt-on design. You can run a 4.5-inch black tip, or you can run whatever other tip you like. Totally up to you. So follow us to the shop and we'll show you how to install this.
Using a 15mm deep socket and ratchet, loosen the OE exhaust clamp. Spray lubricant onto hanger bushings to aid with removal. Use an exhaust hanger removal tool to remove the stock exhaust from its hanger. Carefully remove the stock exhaust from its location. Remove the isolator bushing from the OEM exhaust hanger. Install the isolator bushing to the new exhaust system. Install the PLM exhaust muffler into stock location. Insert isolator bushings to stock location. Using a 15mm deep socket and ratchet or impact, tighten the OE exhaust clamp. Insert exhaust tips into muffler with a clamp. Using a 13mm socket and ratchet, loosely tighten clamp but allow play for adjustments. Adjust tips to ideal location. Fully tighten down after desired location. To switch exhaust tips, simply use a 13mm socket and ratchet to loosen the exhaust clamp and remove the tip. Insert the other tip into desired position. slip on exhaust clamp and tighten down.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave us a comment, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you want to get your hands on this product, the pre-order is now live on our website. The link will be down below. If you're not already doing so, please follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, obviously YouTube, to stay up to date on the latest developments in our project pipeline for the Ford Bronco. I'll see you on the next one.